So when working with build-ups, drums play a nice part, but we have to work on them also, like we just don't have to program them, we also have to mix them. And a nice trick I like to use all the time is this one. So I just load a compressor at the very end, and I want to tame the peaks. So I just want to kind of level everything, having it less spiky, blurred out, let's say, because generally in the build-ups you are blurring out the whole track and then bringing back the full focus on the drop. And so I'm doing this. I have this compressor. So really important, it's set at peak because it actually catches the peaks, and I'm moving. I have the attack down to 0, I have a really quick release, and I'm automating the dry wet parameter, so it progressively softens the whole spike, the whole punch in the drums, and make them fade out because before they kick back in. However, you can do this with a transient shaper too, it's up to you. I find that the compressor is like easier to control because I can control the ratio, I can control the threshold, so by how much everything is moving, and keep the dry wet working in the meanwhile. While with a transient shaper, unless it has a dry wet control, but not all of them do, you have to work on how much the attack is moving. So just food for thought, you can do whatever you want, this is just a concept. You can even use like a limiter and lower the ceiling. The concept is taking the transients off before you bring them back into the drum.